So, for the last video for today muna, ang gagawin ko is yung sa creatinine clearance. This can be found on chapter 10. So, for creatinine clearance, meron tayong ginagamit na dalawang equation. So, first is yung Philip-Phil equation. So, for males, the equation is 98 to 0.8 times age in years minus 20 all over serum creatinine in mg per dl. This is given most of the time, pinapakita din sa problem solving. Meanwhile, sa females naman is the 0.9 times yung result dito sa nakuha sa males. So, kung female yung pasyente mo, you will use first the calculations based dun sa male, and ang gagawin mo na lang is ita times mo sa 0.9. Ang pangalawa naman na equation natin is yung sa Cockcroft-Gault equation. So, ginagamit din siya sa creatinine clearance, pero sa part na to, ang ginagawa nila is 140 minus age. So, that is age in years pa rin. Yeah. All over, times muna pa, times kg or yung body weight, all over 72 times serum creatinine concentration in mg per dl. So, yung 72 is constant, 140 is constant. Then, sa female naman, such as dun sa Philip-Phil equation, ang gagamitin natin is, Jalifel pala, J pala yan, sorry. Nakakalito yung text kanina, Jalif equation. So, 0.85 times yung creatinine. So, susunod dito naman is we can also use not the weight but the body surface area. BSA over 1.73 m squared times CRCL. Yung BSA pala natin is equal to centimeter times kg all over 3,600. Yung centimeters natin, minsan binibigay sa atin inches, ganun. Pero kailangan lang natin kunin yung centimeter para sa BSA. Ito, ilalagay dito, divided by 1.73 times yung CRCL concentration mo na makukuha mo dito. And it will adjust kung male or female ko. So, ito yung kukunin mo dito, depende sa pasyente. So, let's give an example. So, nakasulat dito, number 11. Use both the Jalif equation and the Cockcroft-Gault equation to calculate the creatinine clearance. Ito. To calculate the creatinine clearance for a 24-year-old male patient weighing 70 kilograms with a serum creatinine of 1 mg per dl. So, yung given muna. 24 years old siya. Male siya, so 70 kilograms yung weight niya. Tapos, yung serum creatinine is 1 mg per dl. So, una mo natin gagawin is yung Jalif equation. For the Jalif equation, we will first write 98 times 0.8 times, what's the age kanina? Ang age kanina is 24 minus 20 all over serum creatinine natin is 1 mg per dl. So, given ito yung constant din to, 24 minus 20. Hindi pa natin gagamitin yung kilogram kasi yung kilogram ginagamit lang natin sa Cockcroft-Gault equation. So, 98 times 0.8 ay 98 minus 0.8 times 24 minus 20 over 1. Ang result natin is 94.8 ml per minute. Tapos, ang gagamitin naman natin sa pangalawa, ito yung Philip equation Jalif equation pala. Yung sabi naman natin is yung Cockcroft-Gault equation. Ang formula naman natin dito kung males is ito, CRCL is equal to 140 minus, what is the age kanina? 24. Yeah, 24. Tapos, kilograms na kasulat. So, times 70 kilograms all over 72, which is constant. 72 times yung serum creatinine concentration natin is 1 mg per dl. Ang result natin dito will be, so 140 minus 24 is 126 times 70 all over 72, 112.78 ml per minute. Yan yung sa Cockcroft, ito yung sa Jalif equation. Next, yun na yung sagot natin sa problem solving na to. Susunod, it says here that in number 12, if the patient in number 11 is 5 feet and 8 inches tall, adjust the creatinine clearance calculated by Cockcroft-Gault equation based on body surface area. So, gagamitin natin Cockcroft. So, ang formula natin doon, wait lang, is BSA all over 1.73 m squared times ano yung CR/CL natin. So, yung CR/CL natin is ito, 112.78. So, iba natin siya, 112.78 ml per minute. So, ano yung BSA niya? Sabi dito, the patient weighs 5 feet and 8 inches tall, tapos 70 kilograms. Magagamit natin yan sa BSA kasi ang BSA is equal to 3,600, which is the constant. And yung taas natin is centimeter times kg. Kg natin is 70 grams na. Pero yung centimeter, ang binigay kanina is 5 feet 8 inches. 5 feet 8 inches. 5 feet is 12 inches per feet. Wait lang, i-plug plus natin. 5 feet and 8 inches. So, 5 times 12 is equal to 60 plus 8 is equal to 68 inches. Pero ang kailangan natin is centimeters. So, ilan ang centimeter sa isang inch? So, that will be 68 times 2.54 all over 1 is equal to 172.72 centimeters. To be clear, centimeters yan, ay inches to, tapos ito inches, tanggalin natin yan. So, 68 times 2.54 is equal to 1.72.72 centimeters. So, 172.72 centimeters times 70 kg all over 3,600. Wag nyo kalimutan yung root, square root. Ang answer natin is 1.83 m squared. So, ang BSA natin is 1.83 m squared. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, i-calculate lang natin sa calculator, 1.83 divided by 1.73 times ito. Ang answer natin will be 119.47 ml per minute. Yan yung result if we take the body surface area in consideration. Ganun lang naman siya kabilis. Basta wag natin kalimutan yung calculation. Tapos, kung female ang pinapahanap kasi, kung parang sa kanina, kung ito man yung gagamitin, 0.9 times CRCL lang. Meanwhile dito, sorry, medyo nabura, 0.85 times CRCL naman siya. Tapos ito, yung CRCL natin, sorry, medyo nabura talaga. Ang CRCL natin can be either taken from the Cockcroft-Gault equation or the Jelliffe equation based on the problem given. Yun lang.